The Edinboro women's soccer team opened its 2011 season at 4-0. That's the best start in program history. What are some keys to the victory so far?
Team unity, good leadership, an excellent freshman class, and just everybody having and working towards a common goal of winning.
The Fighting Scots have entered the national rankings now at number 17. How excited are the girls to get that recognition?
I think everybody's surprised how quickly we got there, but at the same time I'm hoping that they don't forget how we got there and don't start resting on their laurels so far this season.
Who are some of the top performers on the team so far?
I would like to tell you, I think my defense is exceptional. We have great leadership up top in Sam Kaiser and Carissa Fernandez, and obviously Liz Debo now is making an impact. Becca Costello and Ali Overly, I would like to go on and on. I really think we have a terrific squad.
Next up are two rivalry matches with Gannon and Mercyhurst. Those are always exciting games for you.
Yeah, you know, the records don't indicate, it doesn't matter what the records are. You know, Gannon's going to be a battle tonight. They play very physical, they're very direct, and so we're hoping we can hold them off. They've got a terrific goal scorer in Amanda Sharbar. But I think overall our team is prepared and we're ready to go fight.